So hello guys, what's up? Today we're going to be doing a video on the new Match Attax packs. So these are the odds. And all that song in the background. Match Attax, new design. I've got 3 of the new packets. And let's get into it. So the odds are you get a star playing 1 in every 2 packs. Cup Quest is the same, 1 in every 2 packs. Match 1 in every 2 packs. 100 clubs is 1 in every 10 packs. 12 gold cards are 12.5, silver is 25%, and bronze is 62.5. So let's get into the first packet. So we have all these different designs. We have 2 of these same. Then we have a little blue one. You see all the packs there. Let's get into the first one. I'm going to leave the shinies to shinies. We have Alex Sutner, Penny Cafobe, James McLean. That is Jack Stevens, is it? That is Mijolovic. That is the God. I just threw all my cards. There's base card boost. Banana silver. And live code. That you have it. Not really getting these to be fair. Second packet. I'm gonna go with the yellow again. The yellow crest on it. I don't know what we're gonna get in these packs. I do not have a clue. Jacob. We have Jacob Murphy. Getting wrong. Andy King. Berahino. Leighton Ibrahimovic. Oh, TV Culture.
Twice quick.
What?
Press it twice quick.
Something like this. There you go. There's shocking song in the background. Don't know why she listens to that, to be fair. And she's just showing off in the background. Great. Dale Stevens. You're on camera. One of my followers can see. Stanislas. She's just doing it to live with it. Morrison. Phil Jones. Kelvin Sigurdsson. I don't know what she did. Jeez. Asper Quer. Song. And a live code there. So we on to special packs now. As I give you a review, a very good. We have the Liverpool crest badge there, which you can see. Next, I'm going to go with a Swansea forward. Oh, a man of the match, Tammy Abraham, as you can see. Good stats, good stats. I don't know what to go for. Oh, a powerhouse Lukaku. Hello. a star player Vardy. We have 100 club Gary Cahill. I already have him, but that is still sick.
Ow!
And yeah, guys, that's it for today.
Poking me.
Listen to all of that.